Speak and open up your mind. It's something you should do all the time. Keep exploring, seek and find. You know you might surprise yourself. Talk without the tape to hold the doubts that should embrace your home. The calm and chaos of your soul. You know you might surprise yourself. Pen and write this down. Draw something that can't be found, and learn to walk again somehow. You know you might surprise yourself. The times that train has fooled me too, and tears me from a place